All right, good morning, everybody. It's time to do our live trade plan reviews where you can get a second opinion on your trading ideas. If you post a trade plan at tradeplans.ai, what'll happen is you'll get instant feedback from our artificial intelligence, which I taught how to trade, but I might also review your trade here on YouTube. Is it gonna load? It's not gonna load. All right, anyways, there you go. You post your trade plan right here. What you do is if you want to do the stock market, we have candlestick data for the SP500, NASDAQ, Dow, DAX, the Nikkei. Forex, we have dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of currency pairs. For futures right now, we have gold and silver, and we will soon be adding candlestick data for oil, and then crypto. You have ETH, Bitcoin, and Ripple. So without further ado, let's get on with it. By the way, just so you know, if you are shy and you're like, man, I want feedback, but I don't want people to know it's me. All these trade plans are completely anonymous. We don't know who is posting this, so don't be shy. Post your trade plan, or artificial intelligence named Aiden will give you feedback on your trade plan, but so will I and others. Okay. Anywho, let's go. Euro pound buying. All right, I don't like this fundamentally. It doesn't make any sense to me. The ECB is done raising interest rates. The Bank of England is done raising interest rates. Both of these currencies are weak right now, so I'm not sure why this trader wants to buy it, but nonetheless, let's try to take a look at it technically. Double bottomish, or let's say we bottomed here on the M2. Let me expand this just so everyone can see it. Let's do it again. Delete. Okay. I'm going to call it a double bottom here on M2. That predicts M4. So that trade should be dead. It should be over. Could it go a little higher? Could you kick it up to 21? Well, my problem with this is yes, but here's the thing. If you're going to use pivot points, then you should respect them. M2 predicts the M4. So after that, like, this is a high-risk trade. So if you're buying a dip into the moving average and taking it up, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I see the day trade there, but this trader is ignoring the swing trade. So yeah, you could do it. It's a little higher risk than I prefer, but it's not terrible. It's just, you know, I don't know. M2 predicts M4, and so this trade is ignore the M4, go to R2. I don't love it. I don't love it. I don't love it, but it's not terrible. Okay, it's not good, but it's not terrible. All right, so let's take a look at this trader. Okay, oh, what are we doing here? Sorry. We want to sell euro dollar. Okay. And let's see what they got going on here. Delete. Okay. We have a down, 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 up, up, sell, down, 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 up, up, sell, down, 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 up, up. I would look left. We have this area and we have this area. And then there's a moving average in there as well. So their trade plan is to take this down. Okay, not sure what this is. Okay, don't know what that is. Normally I would, see, here's the thing. Normally I would think this is their entry and that's their target. I'm okay with the target, but like, I don't know what this is because the entry is up here. So I guess they're on a different time frame analyzing some level because I see the dotted lines up there. let's take a look at what they said their entry is. 105.58, 105, what? No, wait, 105. 105, sorry, 105.85, 105.80, 105.85. I guess that's pretty close to 105.85. 105.80. Yeah, yeah. So they're up in here. Yeah, I'm okay with that. It looks good. So it seems to me the trade plan is this. Yeah. And did they have 105.50 as a target? 105, is that what that is? Yeah, yeah, I'm good with that. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Following the moving averages, following some price action, reasonable entry off the moving average. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we are selling, this trader is selling gold. Okay. Let's take a look. Selling gold. Let's do this. Lower low, lower high, roll reversal off of the moving average zone. Now, it ignores this zone. So if you're going to use daily pivots, what daily pivots are telling you is that this cluster here is where you want to sell, which is significantly higher than what this trader is analyzing as an entry. So again, if you're not going to use them, you should delete them. So this trade plan is just kick it off the 21. What time frame is this? Which 21? 1 hour 21. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's like one of these things. Like I think it's. I would rather have you sell it up here. But I can't disagree with it, right? In general, I think it's the correct strategy. Sell it up here and then bring it down. Yeah, sure. Let's do it. I agree with that. Yeah, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah, yeah. It's a little late too. I'd rather you be up in here. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's mediocre, but it's okay. All right, so this is selling USD Mexican peso. Okay, well, the problem with this right now is the dollar strong. So let's take a look at that. Bottom right now is a monthly pivot. So this is the counter trend, by the way, just so you know. This predicts that. So what do we have here? Looking at next month's pivots. I think it's early. It feels early. I see the sell here, and I guess that's the target there. It feels early. I don't expect US dollar weakness until next week, but I suppose this is the right place. 17.5 is an okay place. This is too early. Like just simply selling here isn't like, it's not right. It's not enough. This is the right price. I'm okay with the price. But what we don't know is the time. So this could be the price, this could be the price, and this could be the price. Like it's an okay price. It's right in between 1740, 1750. Okay. but it could go to 1760 if you're going to use that. Like, so what I need now for this to work is a smaller time frame. And what you want to look for on a smaller time frame, like a 15-minute chart or something, is a lower low, lower high. Okay, and so I would never just like sell here. That's irrelevant to me. So it wouldn't be the R1 that I would do. And then this is the sell zone, which is, so we're in the middle of that. So once again, it's the right price to consider the move. The only thing is we don't have the technical analysis to confirm it yet. So I would never just throw down a limit order. It seems to me that, you know, it could double top before it drops. Okay. So it's the right price, not the right time. It feels like it's a limit order aggressive. I'm going to disagree with it. It looks like a lot of people did as well. Let's do one more. Euro Mexican peso. Oh, let's selling Euro Mexican peso. Moving averages are bearish. There's some mediocrity in the price action. Okay, bear. Okay, bear, sideways, sideways, sideways. But we are getting like lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. It's slowing down for sure, but, and this is daily. Am I okay with selling euro to buy peso? Yeah, fundamentally, yes. Just let me confirm some of these technical indicators. So I see the moving averages show bearishness. This does not show bullishness, by the way, even though it's crossed up. We are in here, so it shows me a sell zone, but there is a slight pause. So what this is showing is not higher highs, but currently not lower lows. That's what that is telling me. So that's not the worst thing in the world, okay? Is this valid? Well, we got moving averages here. This is an R1 to S1. So that would be the range I would expect for this period. So it's okay. And then to take this further to the lower low using pivots on the next period, this is what, M1, S1. So yeah, it's okay. It's okay. If this pops up, you might be challenged. But I think in principle that will be fine. Yeah, and that's the correct target. Well, if I reverse engineer this, if you're going for 1781, just make sure your October top is M3, not central pivot point. If you're going to, okay, because that's what that means, M3 to M1. So I will go ahead and agree with this one. Nice trade. And we'll leave it at that. That was TradePlans.ai. This is our live trade plan review. If you post your trade plan on TradePlans.ai, you will get instant feedback from Aiden, my artificial intelligence, but I might just review your trade plan as well on YouTube. Remember, it's anonymous, so don't worry about it. And also, by the way, there's no monetization whatsoever, right? There's no subscriptions. There's no ads. There's no email marketing. There's literally nothing. I simply spent thousands of dollars building this. I think it's going to be helpful, and you're definitely going to be amazed. Give it a try. TradePlans.ai. I'll see you tomorrow.